Hey Bro Science Steve. I've been thinking, is it really possible to maintain your weight after shredding those pounds?
Oh, absolutely, Mikey. Once you lose the weight, it's gone forever. You can eat all the burgers and pizzas you want without gaining an ounce. It's like magic.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold it right there, fellas. I couldn't help but overhear your weighty matters. Let me enlighten you with the real deal. Louis, my man, what's the scoop? Well, Mikey, Bro Science Steve over here might have jumped the gun with his answer. Maintaining weight after weight loss is a bit more complex than that.
Oops, my bad.
No worries, but here's the truth. After shedding those pounds, you need to be mindful of your eating habits and make smarter choices. It's all about balance, moderation, and a little bit of self-discipline. So, no unlimited burgers? Not exactly, Mikey. But stick around, folks, because there's a lot more to learn. That sounds fantastic. I can't wait to learn more.
Kill me in two.
What's going on? It's your boy, Louis Ha Fa Sho. You know how we do. Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked. Maintaining your weight after you shred those pounds. Trust me, this part of the journey is just as important as the weight loss itself. Part 1, the myth of weight maintenance. Before we jump into it, let's clear up a common misconception. Weight maintenance doesn't mean staying at the exact same weight forever. Let's face it, our bodies are not static beings. Instead, think of weight maintenance as finding a range that you're comfortable with and striving to stay within that range long term. It's all about being realistic. In fact, I believe that true weight maintenance involves a small amount of weight gain over time. But fear not, by keeping your metabolism revved up and your calories in check, you can easily navigate this journey. Part 2, the dieting trap. Here's where many people stumble and fall. Picture this, you finish your diet successfully, feeling accomplished and proud, but then at the first sign of a few pounds creeping back, panic sets in. You immediately slash your calories and try to shred that weight pronto. Sounds familiar? Well, here's the catch. Your body is smarter than you think. It adapts to your constant dieting and makes it harder for you to see results. And guess what? That trash metabolism can lead to weight gain, especially if it triggers binging behaviors. Let's break free from this vicious cycle together. I guess my body thinks I'm playing hide and seek with the pounds. Sneaky little metabolism. Part 3, embracing a range of weight. We all have that magic number in our minds, don't we? The lowest weight we've ever achieved. But here's the reality check. That weight is often not sustainable. It's time to let go of that pressure to constantly stay at that number. You are more than just a number on a scale. Instead, aim to maintain a range of weight that allows for a happy, healthy lifestyle. Give yourself permission to enjoy special occasions, vacations, and celebrations without guilt. Remember, life is too short to be perfect with your diet all the time. Embrace your ever-changing self. Part 4, the best method for long-term maintenance. Now that we've set the stage, let me share with you the ultimate strategy for maintaining your weight post-diet. Buckle up because this is where the magic happens. But first, let me remind you that you need to be okay with a small amount of weight gain. This journey is all about finding balance and creating a sustainable lifestyle. You ready? Let's dive in. Small weight gain? Well, I guess I'll just call it my snack cushion for emergencies. Step 1, understanding the baseline. If you've been consistently tracking your macros and calories during your weight loss journey, you're already in great position. You have a solid understanding of what you're consuming. If not, don't trip. We'll take it step by step together. Start by eating as you have been for a few days, and track your intake by using a handy app like MyFitnessPal. Yes, tracking may require some extra effort, but trust me, it's worth it. You'll gain valuable knowledge about the foods you eat, and this information will stay with you, even when you eventually transition to a more intuitive eating style. Step 2, reverse dieting. Now that you know your baseline, it's time to gradually increase your calories through a process called reverse dieting. This method allows your metabolism to adapt to a higher caloric intake without triggering significant weight gain. Start by increasing your daily calorie intake by 100 or 200 calories every week or two. Monitor how your body responds and adjust as needed. By slowly introducing more food, you'll give your metabolism a chance to catch up and prevent it from going into starvation mode. Reverse dieting? So you're telling me I can have my cake and eat it too? Well, sign me up for the calorie escalator. Step 3, flexibility is key. Maintaining your weight doesn't mean you have to eat the same foods every day. Introduce flexibility into your diet by incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Allow yourself the occasional treats and indulgence without guilt. Remember, life is about balance, and the occasional ice cream cone won't derail your progress. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and eat mindfully. Enjoy the journey and the foods that make you feel good. Step 4. Adjusting your exercise routine. During weight loss, many of us rely heavily on cardio to shred those extra pounds. But as you transition into maintenance mode, it's essential to reassess your exercise routine. Instead of excessive cardio, consider incorporating strength training. Building muscle can increase your metabolism and help you maintain your weight more easily. Find activities that you enjoy, whether it's hiking, dancing, or swimming, and make it a part of your routine. So you're telling me I can lift burgers instead of dumbbells and stay fit? Count me in for the Snackercise program. Congratulations, you made it to the end of our weight maintenance guide. Remember, maintaining your weight is an ongoing process that requires patience, self-compassion, and a little bit of flexibility. Allow yourself to live your life to the fullest while nourishing your body with nutritious foods and regular exercise. Embrace the small fluctuations in weight and focus on the bigger picture, your overall health and happiness. Now, get out there and show the world how you can rock this weight maintenance game like a pro. Online coaching will be available soon. I also have another channel if you're interested. We talk more about mindset, creating better habits, discipline, and achieving your goals outside of fitness. So if that sounds good to you, head on over to Louis Ha Fa Sho. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And oh yeah, don't forget to bring the shreds, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.